Mastering productivity tools. We demand KPIs that ignite productivity and efficiency, not just measure it. How does our organization utilize key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure and track productivity and efficiency, and what specific metrics are used to evaluate and drive operational excellence? In the pursuit of operational excellence, our organization leverages key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure and track productivity and efficiency. These metrics serve as a guiding force, enabling us to evaluate, refine, and optimize our processes, thereby driving continuous improvement. Our approach to KPIs is multifaceted, and we utilize both leading and lagging indicators to gain a comprehensive understanding of our operational performance. Productivity metrics. 1. Cycle time. This metric measures the duration between the start and completion of a process or task. By minimizing cycle time, we reduce lead times, increase throughput, and enhance customer satisfaction. 2. Throughput. This KPI tracks the quantity of output produced within a specified timeframe. Throughput metrics help us identify bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and boost overall productivity. 3. Defect density. This metric measures the frequency of defects or errors per unit of output. By monitoring defect density, we can identify areas for process improvement, reduce waste, and enhance product quality. Efficiency metrics. 1. Resource utilization. This KPI assesses the percentage of available resources, e.g. personnel, equipment, and facilities, utilized during a given period. Optimizing resource utilization enables us to minimize idle time, reduce costs, and allocate resources more effectively. 2. Process efficiency. This metric evaluates the ratio of value-added activities to total process time. By streamlining processes and eliminating non-value-added activities, we can reduce waste, increase efficiency, and boost productivity. 3. Supply chain efficiency. This KPI measures the effectiveness of our supply chain operations, including inventory turnover, shipping performance, and supplier quality. By optimizing supply chain efficiency, we can reduce costs, improve delivery times, and enhance customer satisfaction. Operational excellence metrics. 1. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. This metric assesses the performance of our equipment and machinery, considering factors such as availability, performance, and quality. Optimizing E enables us to minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and increase productivity. 2. Total productive maintenance, TPM. This KPI measures the effectiveness of our maintenance activities, including preventive maintenance, scheduled downtime, and maintenance quality. By implementing TPM, we can reduce equipment failures, extend lifespan, and minimize production losses. 3. Employee engagement and development. This metric tracks employee training, skill development, and engagement levels. By investing in our workforce, we can enhance productivity, improve quality, and drive operational excellence. Actionable insights and continuous improvement. Our organization recognizes the importance of transforming data into actionable insights. We employ advanced analytics and data visualization tools to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Our data-driven approach enables us to 1. Identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in our processes. 2. Develop targeted continuous improvement initiatives. 3. Monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of improvement initiatives. 4. Refine our KPIs and metrics to ensure alignment with strategic objectives. By integrating these KPIs and metrics into our operational framework, we can drive operational excellence, enhance productivity, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. The pursuit of operational excellence. It's a journey, not a destination. And I should know, I've been on that journey myself. Let me tell you a story about a company I worked with. We'll call it Green Tech Incorporated. They were a mid-sized manufacturing firm with a passion for sustainability and innovation. Their products were top-notch, but their operations were, well, not so much. Inefficiencies lurked around every corner, and it was starting to impact their bottom line. As I delved deeper into their operations, I realized that their productivity tools were, shall we say, lacking. Spreadsheets were the primary mode of data tracking, and I'm not talking about fancy automation tools, I'm talking about manual data entry. It was like watching a team of skilled engineers trying to solve a puzzle with one arm tied behind their back. The first step was to identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that mattered most to Green Tech's operational excellence. We didn't want to measure everything. We wanted to measure what counted. We focused on metrics like lead time, throughput, and defect rates. These KPIs would serve as our beacons, guiding us towards operational excellence. Now, here's where things got interesting. See, Green Tech had a culture of, let's call it, friendly firefighting. When a problem arose, their team would leap into action, putting out fires left and right. The problem was, they were so focused on the short-term rescue that they rarely stopped to ask, what's causing these fires in the first place? We needed to shift the mindset from mere firefighting to proactive problem-solving. I persuaded them to implement a simple yet powerful tool, the 5 whys method. When an issue arose, they would ask why 5 times to drill down to the root cause. This encouraged a deeper understanding of the problem and sparked innovative solutions. For instance, when a batch of defective products came off the line, they would ask, why did this batch fail quality control? Because the machine malfunctioned. Why did the machine malfunction? Because it wasn't properly calibrated. Why wasn't it calibrated? Because the operator didn't follow procedure. Why didn't the operator follow procedure? Because they didn't receive adequate training. By the 5th why, they'd usually uncovered the root cause, which led to corrective actions that prevented similar problems in the future. To drive operational excellence, we also established a weekly review process. The team would gather to discuss successes, challenges, and future plans. This ritual helps them stay focused on their KPIs, identify areas for improvement, and share best practices. Throughout this process, I thought to myself, this is the essence of operational excellence, a relentless pursuit of improvement, a willingness to challenge the status quo, and a commitment to data-driven decision-making. I felt a sense of excitement, knowing that Green Tech was on the cusp of transformation. Fast forward a few months, and the results were nothing short of remarkable. Lead times decreased by 30%, defects dropped by 25%, and throughput increased by 20%. The team was energized, empowered, and proud of their accomplishments. What did I learn from this experience? Operational excellence is not about implementing the latest productivity tools or trendy methodologies. It's about cultivating a mindset of continuous improvement, encouraging a culture of accountability, and making data-driven decisions. It's about embracing the idea that excellence is not a destination, but a never-ending journey. As I reflect on my time with Green Tech, I'm reminded that operational excellence is not just about numbers and metrics, it's about the people, the processes, and the passion to create something greater. And that, my friends, is a pursuit worth striving for.